I missed.
It was.
It was too. I may have cocked it a little too much.
We both laughed at the same time.
Okay.
Ooh. What is he doing?
Shot from the cat. Oh, dang it. Hold up. Out of ammo. Right in the neck. Dang it. Got 2 bullets ready. Oh, what the heck? How am I missing you?
Oh, that was so close.
Right in the spine. Right in the spine. I didn't mean to hit you in the spine. I'm sorry. Look at him squirm.
You're such a baby. Yeah, I know it hurts, but you gotta take in the pain. My turn.
Alright.
That was hair. That doesn't count. Just turn it back around.
Hit her. Alright. Laugh, Kylie. Laugh. Laugh.
I sleep naked every time, no matter what. Oh, really?
You laugh.
It's kind of awkward sometimes because I have narcolepsy. The disease falls in a random time.
Kylie
No.
laugh.
Yeah.
I feel so bad.
That one hit her.
That was going for your face. Stop moving.
That was 3. That was 3. No, it wasn't. That was only
That was
2.
only 2. Oh, right in the neck. Oh. Got it right in the neck.
Bro, that sucks.
Rest in peace.
Thank you. When you hit and hurt them.
I did not laugh.
That
Are you
counts.
kidding me? Review the footage. I did not laugh.
Brothers gather around, always looking at me, little guy. Looking at my
Yeah, Kyle's just so used to it now.
You're gonna get shot.
Don't get close up. Nate, even.
That doesn't really matter.
That was
Oh, right in the calf. I think she's gotten used to it. That was 2 on the butt. Was that 2? Alright.
For fuck's sake.
You laugh.
I did not laugh. I did not. No, I got it.
Alright. Alright, you got 2 more. That went off his butt.
Oh, these nuggets. Oh my gosh, you're going low. Stop.
Stop wasting the bullets.
Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. Stop doing up closes.
Close-ups.
Whatever. Same thing.